Hi guys, so we continue today the forecast for our coming week. So first of all, you have to know the dollar is going down, US stock is going up, and the gold is going down. So we're gonna have gold and dollar both going down. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the dollar index. So dollar index reached this like 97.50 so level, and for what the speech came out from Powell and all this American Federal Reserve talk, and Mr. Trump wants the dollar down, so it's going to go down. So we are right now at 96.20, so we're going to reach 95, then we're going to have some correction up here, depends on what level we get up to the correction, then we should go down to 94 or so. This is the daily, so if you go to lower frames, it's going to be slower, right? But that's the future. Okay, this is the future, so you only sell dollar index. However, I don't trade dollar index, just to give you a nice indication how to trade pound and Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, or other currencies, and so on. Let's go to our game. So first we start with the pound dollar. The pound dollar, we have a buy signal in the daily, 4 hours and hourly, so we're gonna go only long. So we expect to drop from this level to that or that, then you go long from here or there. Make sure you use a stop loss. Euro also is really kind of neutral against dollar, but the dollar is going to get really weak, so we expect long to go long in the euro dollar. We don't expect to go down, so we prefer to be in the long side. Okay, every time it bounces from a resistance, then you go on the long. However, we have a long buy signal in the daily, so we're gonna go with this. So we're not gonna sell euro dollar. Then we're gonna in the 4 hour and the 1 hour we have a sell, but we're gonna wait till it come down, then we go long. Okay, because the dollar is gonna come really down and the euro is neutral, so this is gonna go up, not because the euro is strong, but because the dollar is gonna get really weak. USD Japanese yen, we expected this last week to go down to 105. However, it did reach 105. That was awesome, but it was catastrophic. We didn't expect this to happen overnight. We expected it to take 4 weeks. So we back to in track. This is correction. Look at the candle. Look at this, how good of a signal this is in the 4 hours, right? Got really down here, then this crash, and probably too many people lost their money in this. Then this is a correction, okay? Look at the small candles going this way. It's just waiting to drop, okay? So either from this level or up here or up here. So you sell from this level, never buy dollar yen. USD Canadian, we expect the Bank of Canada to not hike in January this next week, but is gonna have a plan to hike 2 or 3 times. So this is gonna go up to this level, or that is not gonna reach this area. So this is a continuation of the moving 50 moving average in the H1. Then you sell from here or there. Don't buy USD CAD, only sell it. Australian dollar, very bullish. So we're gonna only go long. We expect this to reach 75 in 4 weeks. So you only buy it. This is really good. The Chinese American trade is gonna get done. We're gonna have agreement. Australian dollar gets really affected by good Chinese data, by good Chinese forecast for growth. So this is going really up to 75. Buy it heavy. Wait a little bit for correction first, then buy it. Euro is weak. Euro is expected to be neutral for 2 3 months, then it's gonna go up. Now it's not gonna go up that much because the central bank, European Central Bank, just kind of give a hint they're gonna keep their interest rate as long as they need. This means euro is gonna go down. Okay, euro is gonna go down. Australian dollar is gonna go really up, and euro is neutral to slightly down. This is gonna go sharply down. Invest in this heavy. Okay, don't wait. Euro bound is gonna go down, but you have to wait a little bit for correction because it's oversold here in the small time frame. So wait to go a little bit up, then sell it. Canadian yen, just ignore this pair this week. If you're a little bit risky, then you can go wait a little bit to go up a little bit higher. Then it's gonna crash 150 pips this week when the Bank of Canada announced there is no rate hikes. Okay, so you can sell it when it reach 81 something. Okay, so close to 82, 81.50 in this range you can sell it. Australian, New Zealand, this is really good investment, guys. Very, very good. 300, 400 pips. So this is gonna go really up. Okay, look at this candle. Last week I said this was good to buy. Now it's very good. Okay, look at this very bullish daily candle. This is gonna continue. Okay. New Zealand kind neutral to down. The Bank of New Zealand, the Central Bank of New Zealand, they expect inflation. This means New Zealand dollar is gonna go down because they expect inflation. When they expect inflation, mean the currency is gonna go down. They are happy with the low New Zealand dollar. Okay, they're very happy with it, so they're gonna try to keep it down. Australian central bank announced the next rate change will be up if there is a change from 1.5. So this is a very good hint. Australian is gonna get strong. There is no down for Australian. This is reversal. Anyone tell you still Australian dollar is setting you for a failure and you lose your money. Australian franc the same, very very bullish. So continue up here. Okay, a very very good investment to invest in Australian franc. Switzerland central bank, they want to franc go down. They say this is very expensive. The franc is very high, so they want the franc to go down. Australian, they want to increase their rate, so they're gonna go up. Fundamentally, this is very bullish. US oil, we expect to continue going up to 55, okay? But this is overbought. Don't buy it here. Wait till it come down to 46 or so in this area, or a little bit higher, 46.50. Then if it bounce, so look at this is the hourly. It just came bounce in the 50. Then we expect to come bounce to the 50. So if it comes back to the 50 moving average, then it test the 50 moving average, then it bounce back up, then you just go long from here and your stop loss will be just beneath the 50 moving average. Gold is going down. Okay, you're gonna say how comes dollar is going down and gold is going down? This is because the stock is gonna go up. Okay, so this is gonna bounce from 1300 to 1250, 1240. It may just continue bouncing back and forth in this range. So I will not invest in gold, I will just sell it. Okay, so every time it go up, then it bounce back, just go short, don't buy gold. SPX 500, this stock is gonna fly up, it's gonna fly really up high. Okay, this is gonna go very very up high, maybe over time, but this is going up, not down. Okay, Japanese stock, don't invest in this stock. This is gonna crash. I expect this to crash to 15,000 in 2019, so we only go short. So don't buy now. There's in the daily there is a sell, and the 4 hour there is a buy. This could be potentially a good buy investment for a small short of time, but we'd prefer to go over in a longer term. So we wait till it reach up to levels higher a little bit. Now at 20,000, so wait for 21 or so. Then you have a confirmed sell signal in the 1 hour frame. Then you short it. This is going to be very very profitable to go short from here. This is going to go down my expectation to 15,000 in 2019. Okay, thank you guys and have a great weekend. I hope last week was a good forecast. Most of it was really good. I hope you managed to follow and it was in profit for you. Okay, thank you very much and have a great weekend. Okay, goodbye.